Hi everybody, we're showing you a 12-inch by 10-foot sanitary screw conveyor today. It's made by BF Sinclair down in Texas, and as you can hear, it does need new bearings in the motor, which is why we test them. We can offer that replaced and reconditioned or replace the motor completely. You see it's got two service doors on it, which do have the original micro switches on the other side if you choose to wire them into your control system. However, we do recommend replacing all safety equipment with new equipment at all times. It does have a drain at the bottom here. It's set at a slight angle of about 20 degrees or so. Large discharge and inlet, as you can see. It's operating on a 3 horsepower. We have lots of equipment in our stock and process and packaging. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.